Kuki AI is a popular generative AI software that many people are considering for their businesses. But before you make a purchase, here are 12 important things you need to know that could influence your decision, especially when compared to other solutions on the market. First thing to consider is its ease of use. Kuki AI prides itself on a user-friendly interface, but it's not always as intuitive as some competitors like ChatGPT or OpenAI's GPT models. It's worth spending some time to get the hang of it, and there might be a learning curve if you're used to other platforms. Next thing is the pricing. Kuki AI offers different plans, but the cost can add up quickly for businesses with high usage. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution, make sure to compare the subscription tiers carefully with others in the same field, like Jasper or Writesonic, which may offer more affordable options with similar features. The third thing to note is the customization capabilities. Kuki AI offers some customizations, but it's not as flexible as platforms like GPT-4 or some of the specialized AI tools. Depending on your needs, this could be a limitation if you're looking for highly tailored responses or integrations. Next thing is the speed. Kuki AI operates fairly fast, but in comparison to some alternatives, it can sometimes lag behind when generating more complex outputs. For businesses that need speed and efficiency, this could be an issue, so keep that in mind when choosing between this and competitors like ChatGPT. The fifth thing to mention is its integration abilities. While Kuki AI does offer integrations, it may not support as wide a range as other platforms, especially when compared to some industry leaders like OpenAI, which offers a broad API with various app integrations. Next thing is the customer support. Kuki AI's support team is responsive, but their response times can sometimes be slower than you'd find with top-tier services like Jasper, which offers round-the-clock, top-tier support, especially for businesses running critical operations. The seventh thing to keep in mind is the AI model itself. Kuki AI is based on GPT-3, which is powerful, but not as advanced as newer models like GPT-4. If you're looking for cutting-edge AI, Kuki AI might not be the best choice, though it still performs well in general. The eighth thing is scalability. Kuki AI works well for small to medium-sized businesses, but larger businesses with more complex needs might find it a bit limiting compared to more robust platforms like ChatGPT Plus or GPT-4, which scale more easily. Next thing to think about is data security. Kuki AI does have standard security measures, but it might not offer the highest level of encryption and privacy compared to some other competitors who prioritize advanced data protection, especially for industries dealing with sensitive information. The 10th thing is the content quality. Kuki AI generates decent content, but it often requires more edits and fine-tuning compared to other tools like Jasper, which is known for producing high-quality, polished text out of the box. The 11th thing is its accessibility. Kuki AI can be accessed via web and app platforms, but some users report that the app interface can feel a bit clunky compared to the streamlined experiences offered by other generative AI tools on the market. Lastly, let's talk about community and resources. Kuki AI is still growing, so it doesn't have the same extensive community or learning resources as others in the market, like OpenAI or Jasper, which have massive support networks and active user communities that can help guide you. So, Kuki AI is a solid choice for many businesses, but if you're looking for a more customizable, scalable, and faster solution, we recommend checking out a different AI tool that you can try for free. You might find that it's a better fit for your needs.